Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your Logic session and picking the audio region you will change. Turn on Flex mode and select Flex Pitch so Logic analyzes pitch information. This extracts notes and formants, which you will edit. Once done, open the audio track editor to view detected pitch segments. You need this visual grid to make precise edits, because moving segments directly changes pitch and timing. Make sure to keep a copy of the original region. This preserves your source if you decide to revert. Now work note by note. Click a pitch blob to select it, then drag vertically to change by semitones. This is fast for corrective shifts. Use the fine-tune control to nudge by sense when you need subtle intonation, and adjust formant to keep the vocal timbre natural when shifting large intervals. Once done, apply quantize pitch to snap notes to a chosen scale, or manually sculpt vibrato and transitions by drawing curves. These steps let you balance musical accuracy with expressive nuance. Finish by listening critically and consolidating edits. Bounce or export the modified region to commit changes and reduce CPU load. Compare a /B with the original region or bypass Flex to ensure the pitch changes sit well in the mix. If you hear digital artifacts, glitches, robotic tone, or unnatural vowels, reduce the size of pitch shifts, adjust formant settings to restore timbre, or consider transfer to Melodyne for complex corrections. Once satisfied, tidy up automation and save a version backup so you can iterate safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.